Hello everyone, in this video I'm just gonna be showing you how to withdraw from your Minipay down to your local bank account. I've so much had a lot of requests to show to explain this video. So this video is for anyone out there that is trying to perform this particular task, withdraw money from Minipay to local bank accounts. All right, so you have to watch this video to the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications so that whenever I'm dropping more videos you'll be notified on time, and ensure that you follow this video to the end so that you don't do mistake for any reason. Without further ado, let's get started. What you have to do is to click on where you have this withdraw button right here. You click on that. As soon as you click on that, you come over here and click on where you have this NGN. You click on withdraw to NGN because you want to withdraw through the NGN. Okay, so here is bank transfer. Just click on this bank transfer, or you can leave it in bank transfer. Okay, then inside the amount that I want to withdraw down here, 2.49, this is what I want to withdraw. So I go ahead and click on. Remember that note that you can't withdraw below $2, and that $2 is equivalent to 2 USDT. That is what I want you to know. Okay, so you tap on this continue. As soon as you tap on continue, this is the amount that is going to be deposited into your bank account. Okay, it is automatically converted into USDT, as you can see. So here's the equivalent. Go ahead and tap on continue again, and it's going to redirect you to the available partners. Okay, so here now you are going to be selling this amount of USDT to this person. The transaction is going to be worked automatically. All right, so listen again. I have 2.49 USDT in my wallet, Minipay wallet. Okay, now I am going to sell this USDT, this 2.49 USDT to NGN. Okay, and it is Panther that is doing the transaction. This Panther is doing the transaction automatically for me. So this is the amount that will be deposited into my account. I hope that is clear enough. Good. Now go ahead and tap on sell 2.49 USDT. Then you go ahead and tap on select bank account. Then you select the bank account that you want that money to be transferred into. Like right here, I'm going to search for the bank that I want it to be sent to. Okay, I want it to be sent to my OPay. Or if I don't see OPay here, then I'm going to be selecting another bank account. Okay, so this is First Bank. I've not seen OPay, but I think I have to send it to First Bank. So you just tap on this First Bank right here. You tap on First Bank and you insert the account number. You enter the account number, your First Bank account number. You enter it right here. Okay, now I need to show your name. As soon as you verified your name, just go ahead and tap on confirm. And then as soon as you tap on confirm, you have to wait for it to load. Now you can see only send USDT from Celo chain. So this amount is going to be paid from Minipay, all right, to your bank account right here. So you go ahead and tap on pay from Minipay. Okay, ensure that this time, the time you see there doesn't elapse. Okay, so go ahead and tap on withdraw right here. So you insert your PIN, your withdrawal PIN. Ensure that, okay, you can now see the money is on the way. Now transaction successful. So that's how you do this transaction. Okay, within few seconds, the money is going to be reflected in your bank account. So that is it, guys. Transaction successful. I've just showed you a step-by-step guide on how to transfer the money. You can see here that the transfer was delivered. Okay, withdrawal updated. This is just a live way on how to withdraw from this OP to your bank account. Here you can see incoming transfer successful. You can now see that the transfer is successful. So that's it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and see you in the next video.